Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today we're demonstrating a unit out of a 72 Olds 442. This comes from Steve in Fort Walton Beach, who has requested that this 8-Track be converted for use with a modern reproduction radio. And so that has been done. And so now let's pop in the tape, make sure everything works. Look at our output level meters, make sure you got both sides. Okay, got some video trouble here. Okay, I'm just gonna fire. There we go, just had to reboot the video gear. Okay, now we can see it. Alrighty, let's. You got a blank spot there. Okay, so that takes care of that. And just a quick rundown of what I do on an 8-track conversion. Since the 8-track is going to use up the aux input on the radio, I add an aux input to the back of the 8-track. That way, whenever there's no tape inserted, whatever is plugged into this will go through the reproduction radio. The front panel controls no longer have any effect because that's all done at the radio now. All that's in here is a preamp, a motor, and speed control board, and the only control that still works on the 8-track would be the program change button, and if it has indicator lights, those will still work as well. So this is the option for the best possible sound from the 8-track, and it's only available at Barry's 8-Track Repair. So, that being stated, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching and listening. You can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks again for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.